Hey everybody, Dr. Dan here. Welcome back. So, this is our week 6 announcement. I'll be brief. A couple of things to make you aware of this week. Today, by the way, is the 28th of September. So, a couple of things to make you aware of. First of all, everything is finally graded, except some early week 6 essays that have been submitted. So, sorry it took me so long, but we're caught up on grading, so you can check out your grades anytime in Blackboard. Also, note that if you are watching this today, the 28th, there's a quiz due at midnight. That's the week 5 quiz, so make sure you get that done. And there is an essay due next week, the week 6 essay, which covers chapter 5. I'll talk about that in a minute, but I wanted to mention to you that all the grades between week 1 and week 6 are added up, and that's what your midterm grade will be. So I put all of the grades in one bucket, and that's your midterm grade. We don't take a midterm exam or anything like that. The point is that if you have anything outstanding, anything you didn't turn in, go ahead and turn that in, even if it's late, so you can get credit, because otherwise it will affect your midterm grade in a big way. And that's including the essay week 6. Make sure you get that done in a timely fashion. Okay, about week 6, we're going to be covering chapter 5 in the book. It's about nationalism. And I think many elements of stuff that you'll read in this chapter can apply today here in the US or perhaps in other places as well, so pay attention to that. Also, chapter 5 gives you context in the Middle East, most notably Israel, and I think that understanding what's taking place in chapter 5 will give you some basis to understand the mess that's happening in the Middle East today. So pay attention to that as well. The essay next Sunday covers nationalist movements and how religion affects nationalist movements. And it also introduces us to the formation of the Communist Party in China back in the 1940s. And so we talk about in the essay, there's a question about Mao Zedong and what was his strategy for forming the Communist Party, which was to form a grassroots movement with the peasants. But I'm getting ahead of myself. So anyway, just make sure you understand there's an essay next week. Get that done. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, please let me know. That's it. Be safe and have a great, great, great Sunday. Take care now. Bye-bye.